Hello everyone, welcome back to Nitya Cloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about multiple things in Azure Data Factory. Basically, we are going to use one of the real-time scenario where we will use multiple functionality, multiple activities of Azure Data Factory. So let me just try to understand you scenario at high level. So basically, we are going to create two use cases here in the one activity or one pipeline. So basically, what we are gonna do, we will use source to destination and then destination to archive. So what happened in real, if I talk about real time scenario, so we have certain files comes on daily basis or based on the frequency basis that we need to move on destination, and after that we need to move into destination to archive. So we are going to use both things in the same scenario. And the other thing is we are going to use multiple files, like we are going to use multiple source files. So how we will try to understand how we are going to use multiple source file and then dump into the destination and same destination to archive. Also, we are going to use this pipeline using parameterized data set. So we will understand the same in this activity, in this basically video itself. So let me just go into the Azure Data Factory and then try to create this. So new pipeline, I can give name load and archive. Load, archive. After that, we don't have any data set. So we are going to use three data set here. So one is source to destination and then destination to archive. So destination would be the same. So let me create first data set, new data set. So I can tell ds source. Okay, before moving into, let me show you the file. So I have these basically dimension table, customer order product, which is available in source. So basically I have three folders: source, destination and archive. So if I show you in destination, okay, destination also we have file, so we can delete this. So we don't have any file left in destination. We will load to this pipeline. So see, we don't have any file in the destination. If I refresh, we don't have any file in the destination folder. Let me go back and let me show you archive as well. So we don't have any file in the archive as well. Okay, so we only have file in the source. So we have these three dimensions that we will load one by one, and then after that we will move those from destination to archive. So let me show you. So Azure Blob Storage is our source, delimited text, and I can give name ds source, and it is residing in the Azure Blob Storage one. I will create, and container, my container is source since I'm creating for source. Okay, I will select none here. Okay. Now I want to pass this value from parameter, so I will create parameter here, file name, and then connection, and file name dynamically, file name data set dot file name. Let me click again. Okay. So all set for source. Now let's create for destination. So same, I will use Azure below storage and delimited text. So this time I can give name ds destination, and then Azure below storage is my source, and then container I will choose destination this time. Okay. and then select none here. Okay. And similarly, I will create another parameter, file name, and click on connection, and I will pass the value again. Okay, now I will create another data set for archive one, new data set. Again, same data set as your below storage, and this time I can give name DS archive. And I can choose container as well, archive. Okay. Again, I will create one parameter here, file name. Okay. I can give any name. So I'm just giving one meaningful name related to that. And then again, we'll do same thing. Okay. So I'm shared with the data set. Now, let me take the activity. So move into the pipeline now. So I will take copy activity. So I will take 3 copy activity. So in first copy activity, I will move order data, and then in the second product, and then in the third customer, like this. Control C, I can do Control C. So instead of doing this, first I can map the source and sink. So that would be good after that. So source is, we have created DS source. Let me minimize this so that it would be, yeah, DS source, and the sink is DS destination. Now I can give name. So this is my order, let's say. Now I can use another copy activity. So basically I can take from here itself. Okay. So let me link this. So this is my, I can say, customer, and again source DS source, and destination DS destination, and this is my product. So I can give name product. Again I can give source and then destination. Okay. Yeah. So I configured that. Now what I need to do, I need to pass the value. So in this activity, I want to move the order data. In this one, customer data, and in this one, product data. So what I can do, I will click here and I will go into the source, and I can click pass the value from here, order dot text. So my name should be actual matching with the file name. So order dot text. Yeah, that's fine. And sync as well, I can pass order dot text. Similarly for customer as well. So customer dot text. So in source, customer dot text, and I can copy this and pass the same into the sync. Similarly for product dot text, and same into the sync. Yeah. So as I mentioned, we are going to do two things. First, source to destination, and then destination to archive. So this basically first part is done. Let me debug this. Let me run this. Let me show you. After that, we will do another part. Publish all. So I'm publishing now. So it may take a while. Okay. Once it is published successfully, I will get the message. Yeah, publishing completed. I can debug this now. So it is running here. You will see the status. So input, then output, and if any error comes, it will show the error as well. Let me move into the storage part. So this we have source. Now let me show you destination. since we don't have anything now. See, succeed, order succeed, customer succeed. So we, that's why we have two. And after product, yeah, all the files are moved, these customer, product and order. So you may have multiple dimension table. So you just need to use copy data activity and then pass the value. Okay. Now let's move into the another part. So in the another part, what I need to do, I need to move destination to archive. So in this case, destination would be my source and archive would be my destination. So I don't have anything in the archive. So what I will do for that, I will take for each loop activity. And here I will pass the value. I will basically split these three values. Split order dot text and then customer dot text and product dot text, and this is separated by comma. So this would be my syntax for this one. If I copy this, let me show you. This is the syntax. Order dot text. Let me just double close the name. Move into the destination or source. So yeah, order dot text is fine, customer dot text is fine, and product dot text is also fine. Okay. Now I need to configure for each activity. Basically, from this all three file I will get one by one using for each loop, and then under for each loop I need to pass this destination to archive. So copy data, I can source. So my source here is destination, and file name here is this for each loop, basically item. So basically for each loop will help me in the iteration, and I will get one by one all the files. Similarly, I can sync here archive, and archive also I can give the name. Okay, so all set. Let me publish this. Okay, it is published successfully, and then I will run this whole activity again, so I can delete file from the destination. So I have deleted file from destination. Now I can show you I have file only in source. So archive I don't have file, and destination also I don't have file. I have file in source only. Let me run this activity. Now again, let me debug. Now it's started running. It will take a while. Let's wait for a minute. Yeah, so two got succeed, order and customer. So we will get everything here, like input, output, and then input, output, and if any error comes, we can see the error as well. So see here, we have for each also succeed. So copy, order, customer, product, and for each copy data. So all got succeed. Now let me show you the data. So if I move here into the container and then source, see source, we already have data. And now in the destination, see all the file are moved into the destination. Now in the archive, see archive also we have all the files. So I hope this video would be helpful for you guys. Thank you everyone.